And I'm going to get my gun license, finally.
Oh! Oh!
Can't believe they're making
Bless you.
Stop stealing my thunder.
That was terrible what happened to you.
It's from our old printer. You just
It's
have to tear out the hole
terrible.
from the side. We were supposed to hit 100,000 ages.
Oh no!
No.
What can be done about hiccups? Nothing!
The internet said nothing.
The internet said to just serve you with bananas for breakfast.
Did anybody tell you how little and tiny you are?
Yeah, I am.
Because you're very little and you're very tiny.
Look how tiny you are compared to this copy of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk.
Daddy, do something.
Hiccups! Go away! Be gone! Get out of here!
Uh-oh.
You'll stop hiccuping someday.
Never. 18. On the good side, you'll be on TV. The boy who never stopped hiccuping. Actually, I think that already exists, except it's a girl. Alright, you gotta come up with a new thing, kid.